Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the vertical timeline and importing your footage so you can edit without resizing later. Set resolution to 1080 by 1920 and choose 30 or 60 frames per second depending on the platform. Once your media is in, sort into bins and flag the best takes. This saves time during trimming. If clips are heavy, generate optimized media or proxies to avoid playback stutter, and make sure project frame and timeline frame match before cutting. Now you assemble the short with fast-paced cuts and precise timing so viewers stay engaged. Use the razor and trim tools, then refine transitions, remove pauses, and keep clips between 10 and 25 seconds for punch. In the inspector, scale and reposition to frame faces, add simple keyframe movement for energy. Bring in music, normalize levels, and use dynamic volume or the Fairlight strip to duck music under speech, so dialogue remains clear, and finish by exporting with platform-friendly settings so your short uploads without issue. Choose MP4H, 264, 1080 by 1920, bitrate around 10 to 20 Mbps and AAC audio, match the timeline FPS. Once exported, add a vertical thumbnail and write a concise title and description optimized for mobile. If upload or export fails, clear resolve cache, delete and regenerate optimized media, and try exporting again. These steps usually fix codec or timeline mismatches quickly so you can publish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.